Getting a diagnosis of autism is often the first step in what can be a very stressful and frustrating process. And many families quickly learn when it comes to treatment for their children, their health insurance won't be helping. Tonight, a closer look at covering the cost of treatments and who really pays. For 2 years, Feda Al-Malidi pushed for comprehensive treatment for her son. Kaiser diagnosed his autism, but she says offered minimal assistance beyond that.
You feel helpless, like you can't help your child, and you feel like they have the key to helping your child, and you just can't get through that door.
Feda challenged her insurance company and won. An independent medical review by the state found the treatments she wanted for her son, speech therapy, occupational therapy, and ABA, or applied behavior analysis, are medically necessary, and Kaiser must now pay for them.
I absolutely think it's going to open the floodgates, and I think it's just going to bring this, financial avalanche that they never expected.
Advocates like Kristen Jacobson with the Alliance of California Autism Organizations believe it's an issue all health insurers must address.
The health plans are more than happy to accept the premiums and then turn around and say, but the responsibility of actually providing the benefits is either for the school district, the regional centers, or the families.
I asked Dr. Sharon Levine about that. She's Associate Director of Kaiser Permanente. The costs are substantial, and I think that's why a lot of people are saying, why isn't health insurance picking some of this up? If we pay premiums, why can't we get the care that we're paying for?
And we pay taxes. And the schools have traditionally said this is our responsibility. These are educational interventions.
And that seems to be just, a way to duck and cover and really put it all back on the taxpayer.
It's a contentious issue. Speech therapy, occupational therapy, and ABA are now considered standard for treating autism by the American Academy of Pediatrics, the National Institutes of Health, and the Surgeon General. The debate, who should pay?
We can make a decision as a society to broaden health insurance to include other things. We can do that. We can do it through state and federal legislation. But we also have to understand that that will significantly increase the cost.
In fact, 7 states have passed legislation requiring health insurance to cover specific treatments for children with autism, including ABA. But it ranges from state to state. For instance, Texas offers coverage only until age 6. Pennsylvania until age 21. It's legislation that passed there this summer after a comprehensive cost analysis.
The legislature required that an analysis be done of what is the economic impact of requiring health insurance companies to cover this. And I believe that the conclusion was it was $1 per member per month.
Our actuaries estimate that to provide 26 plus hours of ABA plus speech therapy and occupational therapy beyond what we currently provide for medical services would impact all of our membership somewhere between $5 and $7 per member per month.
And Dr. Levine says there are many other factors driving up health care costs. Medical innovation, she says, comes with a price tag. But families point to the cost to society without early, comprehensive intervention for children with autism.
We're creating a much bigger problem both for the children and for the taxpayers. With proper treatment, there is an enormous amount of evidence that children make significant progress and can become much more fully functioning members of society.
The Alliance of California Autism Organization hopes legislation mandating specific autism treatments in our state will be introduced next year.